Have you ever wondered why people say blockchain could change the world? Most people think blockchain is just another word for Bitcoin. But that's only part of the story. Blockchain is actually a technology that can help people send money, store information, and verify transactions without relying on a single company or bank. In the next few minutes, you'll understand what blockchain is, how it works, and why so many businesses are paying attention to it. Let's keep it simple. Imagine a shared notebook. Every time someone sends money, a new entry is written inside that notebook. Now imagine that instead of one notebook, thousands of identical copies exist on computers all over the world. Whenever a new transaction happens, every copy updates. If one person tries to change an old record, the other copies immediately show the correct version. That's the basic idea behind blockchain. Instead of trusting one company to keep records, everyone in the network shares the same record. That's what makes blockchain so different. Think about sending money through a traditional bank. The bank checks your account, approves the payment, updates its database, and sends the money. The bank is responsible for keeping everything accurate. With blockchain, there isn't one central database. Instead, thousands of computers work together to verify every transaction. Before a transaction is accepted, the network checks that it follows all the rules. Once approved, it's added to a new block. That block is linked to the previous blocks, creating a chain. That's where the name blockchain comes from. Because every block is connected, changing old information becomes extremely difficult. On large public blockchain networks, altering past records would require controlling a huge portion of the network at the same time, making attacks impractical. This is why blockchain is known for its security. Bitcoin was the first major application of blockchain. It introduced a way for people to transfer digital money directly without needing a traditional bank. Later, Ethereum expanded the idea. It introduced smart contracts. A smart contract is simply a program stored on the blockchain that automatically carries out instructions when certain conditions are met. For example, imagine buying a digital product online. Once payment is received, the smart contract automatically delivers the product. No middleman. No manual approval. Everything happens automatically. Today, blockchain is being explored in many industries. Companies use it to improve supply chains. Financial firms are testing faster payment systems. Healthcare organizations are researching secure ways to manage medical data. Governments in some countries are also experimenting with digital identity and record-keeping systems. Of course, blockchain isn't perfect. Transactions on some networks can be slower during busy periods. Some blockchain systems also consume significant computing resources, although many newer networks are designed to be more energy efficient. And while blockchain technology has many potential uses, cryptocurrency prices can still be highly volatile. That's why it's important to understand the technology before investing. Here's the key takeaway. Blockchain isn't just about digital coins. It's a new way of creating trust between people and organizations without depending on a single central authority. Whether blockchain becomes as important as the internet or remains focused on specific industries, one thing is clear. It's already changing how people think about money, ownership, and digital technology. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple explanations about investing, cryptocurrency, and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.